We would recommend changing your filter on your hearing aid every month. You can see here this white circle. This is known as what we call the filter or the wax guard. And what this does is it ideally stops the wax from penetrating into the actual device itself. You can see how small the hole is. The smallest amount of wax will make a big difference to the sound on the hearing aid. To replace the filter, these ones are sticks, and you can either get them on sticks or tabs. What we will do is open the filters here, and you can see you have a stick that you replaced. There's two ends to the stick. One is a white end, which is a new filter, and the other end is black, which is where you're going to remove the old filter. So we'll get the black end and we're going to move it towards the hearing aid, and what you want to do is pop the black end into your white circle. You would click it closed, and then you would gradually just gently turn it and ease it out. You would then turn the stick over, and again you would meet or match the holes, and you would put the white circle again into the hearing aid, and again gradually just edge it off, and that would be the filter replaced.